So buddies, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Precious, but my students call me Auntie P. So you can also call me Auntie P. Now, I'm so excited about today's topic because I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a zip on a stretchy fabric without it giving you fold, shapes, scallop, or giving you any form of. I don't know if you've ever tried it, trying to sew a zip on a stretchy fabric. Now, this is my interfacing. I'm going to iron my interfacing on my crepe. Okay, so I already sewed my zipper allowance, the zip where my zip is going to go. I sewed it down. I'm ironing that part. I sewed it down with a temporary stitch, so I ironed it so I can get the shape where my zip is going to follow. So now I'm losing out the temporary stitch, okay, before I iron my interfacing on the zip allowance. Okay, so after losing out my temporary stitches, I'm going to iron out, cut out this length. It has to pass the zip where I want my zip to get to. It has to pass it by about 2 inches. So I'll iron the interfacing down on it. Okay, I'm cutting it off to where I want it to stop. Now you can see the fabric is stretching, but once I put that interfacing on it, it's going to give it support, strength, and every other thing it needs, so that by the time I finish sewing my zip, it's going to be strong, firm, no folds, no gallop, no stretch. Okay, so I'm ironing out back the shape of my zip allowance to know where I'm going to stitch my zip on. So that's what I'm just doing here right now. Nothing serious. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're yet to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Time to fix my zipper foot on my sewing machine. So I'm changing the foot from the straight sewing foot to a zipper foot. Now, to make life easy, using the foot meant for a particular task, for each task can make your life so easy. Now, I'm using the right side of the zipper foot to attach my zip. Like, it's so easy. It's so easy, guys. You need to try it. If you've not gotten, just make the sacrifice, buy out every zipper foot that you need, every foot you need for gathering, for everything. It will make your life easier. Remember to say thank you later. So I'm fixing my zip. This is the right side. After I fix it the right side, to fix the other side, I don't want to be changing the foot right to left, so I'm going to be turning my zip upside down to fix the other side. Okay, make sure they align at the waistline, make sure they align at the band. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm stitching my zip down. So after stitching my zip down on my zip allowance, I'm going to be tucking in the extra at the tip of my zip into the band and sewing. So buddies, if you found this video helpful, if you learned something, please like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Like, share, comment. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I sure will respond to you as soon as possible. So until I see you again in my next tutorial, stay happy and stay blessed.